Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another detailing product review. Today we're going to have a look at the cheapest wheel cleaner available for sale in Australia, or the cheapest one I could find anyway. This product was recommended to me by one of my subscribers who commented on one of my videos. So I went out and I found this product. It is the 5-star wheel cleaner, and this was $4.99, so $5. Which is nearly a quarter of the price of the next cheapest wheel cleaner that I could find, which I reviewed not that long ago, and I will link that video down below for you so you can also have a look at that. So this is by far the cheapest wheel cleaner I can find. I bought this at the reject shop and it was $4.99. And let's have a look at the wheels that we're going to be cleaning. They're quite horrible. Now the directions on this can say shake well and simply spray on and hose off with water. In some cases wipe wheels over with a sponge. Now I don't really use a sponge on my wheels, I use a wheel brush, so we might not be following these instructions 100%. I'll be using a wheel brush instead of the sponge. So let's get going and get cleaning. So we're giving the can a good shake as per the instructions, and let's spray it on. Not what I expected. I thought it would come out a liquid, but it's come out this foamy stuff, which is fine. And we will just be using a normal garden hose attachment to spray onto the wheels. You've got to be happy with that. That looks really good, especially for the price. Now, as you just saw, you've got to be happy with that for $4.99, which is roughly a third to a quarter of the price, and the next cheapest wheel cleaner I could find at $17.99, which is the SCA wheel cleaner, and I can link the video about that stuff down below. Look, the SCA wheel cleaner at $17.99 worked just as good as this one, but at $4.99 a can, this stuff here worked just as good as the $17.99 one. So guess which one I'll be buying from now on. It's not hard to guess, is it? I'll be stocking up on this stuff before it also goes up to 20 bucks a can, which I'm hoping will never happen. Now I've also got a couple of other 5-star detailing products that I picked up when I bought this, and I will be doing videos on those very, very shortly. And this 5-star stuff, looking at this, might be way underrated. So you might be able to get yourself some car detailing bargains with these 5-star detailing products. And that's their little logo there. And these have been around for a long time. I remember seeing these years ago, and honestly I was a bit of a snob, and I never sort of paid them too much attention because they were usually for sale in like the $2 stores and the reject stores. And I was saying to myself, no, I'm not going to put this stuff on my car. I'm going to get Maguire's or Turtle Wax or some other fancy brand that costs 4 or 5 times as much. But in today's times are hard, money's short. So this might be the go from now on. I will be testing out more car detailing products very, very shortly. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down there for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, found it entertaining, useful, or might have saved you some money, do me a favour and leave me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the wheel cleaner, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.